Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 30th September 2024. So in this video I'm going to focus on two important points. The first one is about October premium subscription and the prerequisites you should complete to join in the premium subscription. Everyone is not eligible for taking the premium subscription. I'm making this point very clear. I repeat again, everyone is not eligible to take the premium subscription. Then who are eligible? How to apply? All these concepts I will explain, all these points I will explain in detail. After that we will also discuss about the high liquidity zones identified in the previous report and what is their performance in today's trading session. Okay, first let me start with premium subscription for the month October, because September month is going to end today and tomorrow onwards we will be getting the October month, and today's end of the report will be giving you the trade opportunities for October 1st trading session. So if you want to apply for the trading premium subscription videos, the premium subscription videos are nothing but NeoStock software generated supply demand zone reports related to high liquidity zones and Nifty and Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain, and third one is bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade, weekly income trade, daily income trade and hourly income trade reports. And also at the end of the report, you will be getting stop buffers based on daily ATR. So these reports you will be getting in everyday NeoStock software generated reports. And these reports will be helpful to the traders who wants to trade based on the supply demand zones. And the stocks near high liquidity demand zones will be helping to you because they are providing 80% success rate and also average intraday ROI for the last 6 months. It has given over around 6% ROI, intraday ROI. And some people trade based on bullish and bearish trade setups for different income trades, swing trading and short-term trading, intraday trading. And also some people trade only based on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty supply demand zone chain, the high liquidity zones at 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame will be providing you intraday related trading opportunities. And also you can also apply bullish and bearish trade concepts also with the help of these zones. So that is the reason why everybody must complete our free training course. Where this free training course is available. So you can go to NeoStock homepage. At our homepage, you click on the playlist. Click on the tab playlist. You have different playlists are available here. We have Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis videos. Earlier analysis videos are available. If you are a Nifty or Bank Nifty trader, how to analyze Nifty, how to analyze Bank Nifty. The historic earlier analysis videos are available. You can go through those videos. Once you are comfortable, then only you have to apply for NeoStock premium reports. But before that you should complete, I repeat, before that you should complete our free supply demand zone price action course. Where that course is available? That is available in a playlist, supply demand zone price action course, this playlist. You click on this view playlist, view full playlist. I'm clicking on that. See, now you have all the training lessons are available in this playlist. So far we have completed 25 training lessons. You should complete all these 25 training lessons. Or if you want to trade only based on high liquidity zones, at least you should complete up to lesson 22. Up to lesson 22 you should complete. Those who wants to trade only on high liquidity zones. And if you want to trade even bullish and bearish related trade setups, you should also complete lesson 23, lesson 24 and also lesson 25. Even those who wants to trade Nifty, Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain based on the high liquidity zones, you should also complete up to lesson 22. Even if you complete up to lesson 25, it is very important for, it is very useful to you, especially the TCO high liquidity zone concept, trend change origin. This is helpful to the everyone. If you are completing your lessons up to lesson 25, you will be in a comfortable situation. For that, you need to start your training from the first lesson. For that, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So, you have to complete all these training lessons one by one until the most recent training lesson. Then you will get eligibility to apply for NeoStock Premium video reports. Not only completion of these lessons, if you are a high liquidity zone trader, after completing these training lessons, you can find our everyday analysis videos. You click on the tab videos at our NeoStock homepage, click on the tab videos. You have everyday HLQ analysis videos are available. See, this is a high liquidity zone analysis. This is the high liquidity zone analysis. You can identify the timestamps. At least the last 1 month HLQ zone analysis videos, if you would have completed, probably you get better thoughts in your mind. How best I can fine tune the HLQ zones up to the fine tuned 5-minute zones. Because I have explained all the concepts in lesson 21. In lesson 21, nearly some 8 or 9 videos are there. All the scenarios I explained. But still, how all these scenarios are executed in the live markets, if you look into everyday analysis videos, you will be able to understand. You get confidence. Your experience grows. After that, if you apply for NeoStock Premium subscription, and if you are doing everyday HLQ analysis trading, probably you get better profits. And similarly, for those people who wants to go for Nifty, Bank Nifty supply demand zone, again you go to the playlist, access the playlist Nifty, Bank Nifty supply demand zone. Click on this view full playlist link. You have the old Nifty, Bank Nifty analysis videos are available. See, go through all these videos, not these reports. These reports are sample reports. How you can use Nifty, Bank Nifty analysis videos. But go through these analysis videos I did earlier. These are all old videos. But how I made use of Nifty, Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain. The chain Nifty, Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain reports are available in everyday NeoStock software generated reports. You can look into the sample reports. How I made use of those reports, how I analyzed Nifty, Bank Nifty, how I identified trade opportunities, how much profits we got in the historic data. All these things you can observe by going through some of the videos. I am not telling you go through each and every video. At least few good number of videos you go through. Once you get confidence, then you take the recently available videos. Recently available videos are available at our NeoStock homepage videos description. See, 19th September is the recently available. Go to that video. There you access Nifty and Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain reports. Whatever the reports are telling, according to those reports, you draw the zones. Then you practice, even though the historic old data, still you practice until you get comfortness. After that, you take the subscription. After taking subscription, few days you practice again. After that, you start trading. By the time you will get confidence. This is the way Nifty, Bank Nifty traders will get good profits. So who can access our NeoStock reports, everyday reports? Those who completed the course, first requirement. Second requirement, HLQ, high liquidity zone traders, should practice everyday HLQ analysis videos. I am publishing them. The reason why I am publishing after market hours, I want to check the performance of these zones. Because these are the zones we identified, I identified with the help of my software. For many people it is a new concept. Not many, for almost all the people it is a new concept. But our software is giving a great success, more than 80%. For the last 12 months, every month we got more than 80%. Only 1 month we got 79.5%. 0.5% less, only 1 month, last 12 months. Remaining all the months we got above 85%. And average intraday ROI we got around 6%. Average intraday ROI. Maybe few months you may get less than 6%, few months you get above 6%, but average we got around 6% ROI. So that's why HLQ zone traders should go through those videos. Nifty, Bank Nifty, I already explained. And bullish and bearish trade setup, already I explained these concepts. Okay, where I explained bullish and bearish, again you go to the playlist, access, supply demand zone price action, bullish and bearish trade setup. Who wants to make use, you should complete the lesson 13, lesson 14. 2 videos are there in lesson 14. Lesson 15 you should complete. Lesson 16 you should complete. And remaining lessons, okay, anyway you have to complete all these lessons, but the important lessons I am telling. After that you have to complete lesson 23. Where is lesson 23? How to understand bullish or bearish trade setup. After completing all these lessons, you should practice. Because bullish and bearish trade setup rules I already explained in lesson 13 and 14. Please remember, the bullish and bearish trade setup concepts are the best fine-tuned concepts. Compare it to any other course outside, the paid courses, you take any course. Because the price direction concept is not explained by anybody. It is a new concept I developed. And these decision making tables are the new concepts I developed. And lesson 16, when a zone will be violated, the concept I explained. It is a zone confluence concept, in that when a zone can be violated, at least 80% chances are there for the violation of the zone. If you can identify, you won't take any trades in that zone. You look for the other better zones. That's why it is a new concept I developed, when a zone can be violated. It was not there in any courses. And I gave better clarity to EMA concepts, price over extended concepts. Even odd enhancers concept is an improved concept. Because of the new concepts I developed, the price direction, when a zone will be violated. Due to those reasons, the odd enhancers concept is, I have improved this concept. So you should complete these lessons. The 3 videos are there in lesson 18. Risk management, again, improvised risk management concepts. Some of you might have learned these concepts earlier, but go through them once again. I have explained the background reasons for this. And lesson 20 is a new concept I developed. A checklist. Checklist is a new concept I developed. Everybody must follow this checklist, especially those who are doing bullish and bearish trade setups. They must implement this concept. Of course, lesson 21 is completely HLQ zone. Especially lesson 21.1, I explained how to understand our NeoStock reports. Those who are using NeoStock reports, they must go through this lesson. Because in the report, each and every column, their values, abbreviations, everything I explained in this video. Types of HLQ zones I have explained here. And the main daily and 75 minutes HLQ zone strategy I explained. Whoever wants to trade based on HLQ zone strategy, you must complete this lesson. At least 2 to 3 times you should listen this concept. You should not skip this video. Or you should not listen this video in fast forward. Such an important concept in lesson 21.31. This is going to give you so much of money in the coming days. Because we have seen last 1 year data every day. Even today, our stocks got the profits that I am going to explain very soon. And all the other HLQ zone related concepts, the strategy related supporting concepts, everything I explained. In lesson 21, you have 8 videos are there until 21.8, 8 videos. You have to go through all these 8 videos. Those who wants to trade based on HLQ zone strategy. Lesson 22 is a new concept I developed, a very powerful concept. Lower time frame zone as an horizon to the higher time frame. It's a new concept I developed. This is essential for everybody to complete this lesson. So that is the reason why I am telling you, all you people should complete our free training lessons. Some of you might be thinking, okay, I have completed my training earlier, some XYZ institute. I paid 1.5 lakh and I completed that course. After attending our free training program, many of those people realized, okay, the kind of money they paid, they wasted the money earlier. That realization you should not get after 6 months. Now itself you should get that realization. That way you will save your next 6 months time period now itself. After that you complete this course and you take the premium subscription, then you get better profits. So that's why this is an essential requirement for everybody to complete this. And all the premium related videos, look into this. Premium here, the 6th one in our supply demand zone price action course, the premium service video course. I have explained the different premium packages, and also at the last part of this video I explained the requirements for learning our course, this free training program. You should not learn just like that, especially those who are learning first time. Those who already completed the courses earlier, somewhere paid courses, now you are attending, okay, the training requirements you need not follow, because by this time you might have already practiced supply demand zone concepts. But new concepts you are going to learn. The mistakes you learned earlier you will rectify in this training program. But those who are learning first time, you must learn this concept, all these training lessons according to the training requirements I mentioned in this video at the last part of this video. Probably the last 20 minutes you need to look into that video. I have explained training instructions, how to learn this course, where you have to practice, when you have to practice, how much time you have to practice. All these things I have explained. And these are same points also available at our Telegram group. I already pinned that message in our Telegram group. Probably in the pinned messages of our Telegram, you can find all the instructions, training instructions. And also I request all the people join in the Telegram channel, because premium video links are available at our Telegram channel. Every day we will be posting. It is essential for everybody to join at our NeoStock Telegram channel. The link is available in each of these videos description. Any video you open in NeoStock YouTube, in the video description, our Telegram channel link is available. Even this course playlist link also available in the video description, in every video description. So that is the reason why I want to tell all you people, if you complete our course and practiced previous HLQ zone analysis videos, practice means if you would have listened at least for the last 1 month videos, then your confidence will improve. You get eligibility to join at our premium service videos. Otherwise, don't waste your money. See, I am started this premium service not to earn huge amount of money. That is not the requirement. The requirement is you should get a discipline the moment you start taking paid services. I have seen when I provided the free videos for the last 1 year, people were very reckless. The moment I started charging the money for the premium videos, people started getting respect towards our videos. Now whoever is paying the money, sincerely they are doing the trading. That's why they are getting profits every day, almost every day. See, HLQ zones, at least they will give you 30 to 40% minimum profit in a month for your investment. if you are trading in a disciplined way. If you are doing in a reckless way, no concept will give you profits. In a disciplined way, sincere way, you have to put effort. First, you should complete the courses. Because I want all you people to become independent traders. You should be in a position to identify your exact entry, your target. I am only helping you in providing the zones. The software is helping you providing the right zones. In that zone where you need to take the exact entry. What is your target? What is your risk? All these concepts you learn in this course. If you sincerely completed the course, you already got the eligibility to become an independent trader. What NeoStock software is doing, it is helping you improve your efficiency. How it is helping? Instead of analyzing 200 stocks, NeoStock software is analyzing the 200 stocks, and every day it is listing you the 4 or 5 high liquidity zones it identifies. Sometimes it may identify only 1 or 2 high liquidity zones. Sometimes it may identify maybe 7 or 8 high liquidity zones. Average you may get around maybe 2 or 3 or 4 high liquidity zones you will get on average every day. Worst case scenario, you are getting at least 1 trade. Hardly within a month, maybe 2 or 3 days maximum, you won't find any trades. Remaining days you will be getting trades. Out of those executed trades, the failed trades are always less than 20%. But successful trades are more than 80%. That is the reason why we are getting a lot of money from these high liquidity zones. Of course, the other zones also will give you profits. If you are income trade traders, short-term income trade or swing income trade, the bullish bearish trade setups are in that reports are helping. Instead of analyzing 200 stocks, the software is identifying maybe around 10 or 15 stocks, whichever the bullish trade setup you like. Those 10 or 15 stocks, further you can filter using zone confluence. Those reports also I am generating with the help of zone confluence, EMA confluence to look for high probability setups. Every day I am generating all these reports and recording the video and sending that up and posting that in our premium group, but as a private link, so that only premium subscribers, whoever registered, only can access those private videos. That is the reason why I am asking you provide your Gmail ID. Because that Gmail ID, these premium videos or private videos are linked. So whoever log into your Chrome browser using that Gmail ID, automatically they get access to those videos on your browser. Hope you understand why I kept a very strict requirement to join in the premium. Those who are not completed the courses are not eligible. If you are telling lies to me and join in the premium subscription, no use, it's waste of your money. See, my interest is not taking your money. My interest is to make you retain for so many days, so many months. How I can make you retain? If you get profits. If you get profits, it's a win-win situation. You will be with me for a long period because every month you are getting profits. Hope you understand. So that's why not taking money from you is not important for me. Once I take the money, you should be with me forever. When it is possible, if you complete the course in a proper way. What can I do by taking the money with you for this month? Next month you dropped out because you didn't learn the subject properly. You didn't utilize the reports properly. So your interest is gone and you dropped out. It's not good for you and also it's not good for me. That's why in advance I am telling you people, first you complete the course perfectly, then practice. If not this month, maybe after 2 or 3 months you will come and join. In this premium subscription, NeoStock reports will be helping you get good profits. I want each and everyone to become an independent trader. Remember, those who are expecting recommendations, this is not the right channel. NeoStock doesn't provide any recommendations to you. We are only generating software generated reports I am giving you. Using those reports, you are taking your own decisions. Where to buy, where to sell, how much risk you are bearing, everything you calculate. How you are getting that skill? Because that skill I explained in all these training lessons. Hope I made it clear to everybody. So those who have sincerely completed the course and practiced these concepts and having good confidence, those people please take a NeoStock premium subscription. Whatever the money you are paying, most probably in next 1 or 2 trading sessions, you are getting your money back. Especially HLQ zones, high liquidity zone trades. And remaining days, you will be whatever the money you are getting, that is yours. In between few losses, you may get stopped out. That is almost negligible money compared to the profits. Because we know that 80% success rate is there, more than 80%. Even this month also we have more than 80% success rate. Those reports I will be publishing tomorrow. Because today's is the last report, today's end of the day. That report trades we will be seeing tomorrow. So with that September statistics I will be publishing in tomorrow's HLQ zone analysis video. So that you know how many trade opportunities we got, how many stopped out, how many executed, what is the percentage we got success rate, what is the average ROI we got during this month. Everything you will be knowing tomorrow. Okay, now let me proceed with the HLQ zone analysis we identified in the previous report. HLQ zones performance, let us evaluate. So previous report we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high liquidity zones are executed. In that we got 2 successful trades from 2 stocks. The first one is RBL Bank. This is a 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. We have a drop, base, rally. Today, you know, the market is very sharply down. It is a lot of profit booking took place. Nifty, see how much, 368 profits down. That means today is a strong bearish day. Even then, RBL Bank gave profit. See this candle, it reached our expected entry zone, and after that see how sharply it moved till this 15 minutes target zone. Let me explain this trade, but before that I should explain you how I fine-tuned this zone. This 75 minute zone I fine-tuned with 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame we have a rally, 2 base candles and a rally. This is the 15 minute zone, and this zone is already having a fine-tuned 5 minute zone that was tested. That's why in this zone we didn't plan any trade today. But before that let me explain how I fine-tuned this zone with 5 minutes time frame. In the 5 minutes time frame we have a rally, base rally. Exactly at the distal line there is a zone confluence. So in that area it is already tested. Same day it gave a second test also on 26th 11:25. Same day again 26th 12:20, and after that the prices were rallied up. Because this is a tested zone, this rally, base rally, we didn't plan any trade, and today this is violated. Because it is violated, let me delete so that you get an important clue here. See here we have a drop, base rally. Have you noticed that this is not a fine-tuned zone, this is a 5 minute zone. Many times these 5 minute zones will be violated. But there are any price action clues? We can get, this can be acted as an aggressive trade. Let me draw wick to wick first. Today you see, this is the 11:55 candle, prices came very close to this zone. After that with a sharp rejection they moved up. Have you noticed? This is an indication that in this area there is a strong institutional order flow. Okay, because we have drawn wick to wick, the risk is high. So to minimize I have drawn, because type 1 and type 2 proximal there is only a small distance. So I made it type 2 proximal entry. And today we got the entry at 13:30. When we got the price action clue? 11:55. Until this 11:55, this zone is a normal zone and we are in an impression this zone will be violated. The moment when there is a rejection, immediately we got a clue. Then I realized why there is a movement even though there is no fine-tuned. Then I have seen this 5-minute zone drop base rally. Then I have confirmed that this zone is having a strong institutional order flow, so that we want to take an aggressive trade. If it is not a fine-tuned zone, we can call it as an aggressive trade. See, because this is having a strong institutional order flow, because of this price action, we got that clue. Next, when we got the trade opportunity at 13:30. But Nifty, look into the Nifty. Nifty is sharply down. So many points, it was around 350, 60 points was down at the time. It's a very bearish day. Who dare to take a trade, a long trade in a bearish trading session? Only HLQ zone traders will take that risk, not the other traders. HLQ zone traders don't bother about what is happening in the market, because we have seen profits on the results declaration day in the month of June. We have seen the profits on the budget day during this year. Market was down, but we got good profits on that day. At elections results declaration, Fed, US Fed, interest rate declarations, any days, our HLQ zones were giving good profits during the intraday session. Because they have 80% success rate, the chances of failures are very minimal. I'm not saying they won't fail, but chances are very minimal. Success is huge. And finally, it reached the 15 minutes target. We have a drop base drop. This is the 15 minutes target it reached. Actually, if you look into 5-minute zone, probably you will extend the zone a little below. See, exactly at the zone it touched. At least 15-minute zone, you have some gap. That gap would have been filled in if you also look into the 5-minute zone, because the base candle is extended up to here. Exactly reached the target. And how much profit RBL Bank has given? Let us look into our Excel sheet. Today's RBL Bank has given 8,050 rupees profit as per one futures margin cost, and it is a 4.3% ROA as per one futures margin cost. Around 1,80,000 rupees is there one futures cost. So for that investment, the ROA, return on the investment, is 4.3%. So it's a very good profit. And this is the 5 minutes aggressive trade inside 75 minutes high liquidity zone. This is the 75 minutes high liquidity zone. Inside, this is the aggressive trade. And next, there is one more stock we got the profit. That is also a 75 minute zone, but a supply zone. This one, what we have seen, is a demand zone, long trade. Lalpat Lab. So this is a 75 minute zone. This is the ERC candle, then base candles 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles, and a drop candle. This is what our software identified. And I have fine-tuned this zone with 15 minutes time frame. In the 15 minutes time frame, I have identified a rally, 1, 2, 3 base candles, and a drop candle. And then a rally, 2 base candles, and a drop candle. Rally, base, drop. Even you can also consider this is a rally candle at the hidden body. The moment you add a hidden body, it is a rally, base, drop. Either way, it is okay. Next, this one is fine-tuned with 5 minutes time frame. First, let us look into the upper one. Here you have a drop, base, drop. So overlapped at this zone. This is the lower time frame zone as an horizon to the higher time frame zone. That way you can consider. From here, the order flow is there. So this is the area we can plug. LTF zone as lesson 22 what you learned, that concept. And this is of course this is a fine-tuned zone only, but it is overlapped at the supplies, at the distal line. And moreover, the zone was created before HLQ zone was created. And from this zone it picked up the orders and the entire zone was completed. That's why this is having a strong order flow. And again another fine-tuned zone is this one, rally base drop, and it has been already tested several times. And in this candle the order flow went very deep inside. But this time maybe it might be violated. But this because it is a tested zone, because same day it was or different days. No, different days it was tested. This is the first time and this is the next day morning 9:15 candle. But have you noticed here you have a rally candle as a failed ERC candle, leg-in, one base candle and then a drop candle. This is acting as a dynamic entry buffer. See here how sharply prices came. Second time also it tested, sharply prices came down. So probably until this zone is violated, prices won't enter into this area. This is acting as a dynamic entry buffer. I think last session, I think 2 days back I explained, 2 trading sessions back, I explained this concept again. This was there in lesson 21. I already explained. Previously also we got this trade. Now again we got the trade today. Because this is acting as a dynamic entry buffer. And today we got a trade here, and after that it reached the target, 15 minutes target. 15 minutes target is quite tricky here. Please observe here. We have a drop, base, rally. This is a pierced zone. Sometimes pierced zones also can be used as a target. And why it is pierced? Because below this there is an LOTL zone, level on the top of the level. Drop, base, rally. See, this is a LOTL because the gap is very minimal, negligible gap. So the zone is pierced and picking the orders and then started moving. Because both should be combined, you can keep your target here. Maybe it may go here also, but at the time you have to use a trailing stop loss. After reaching this, if you are expecting more target, you have to use a trailing stop loss. If that doesn't work, you have to exit. The LOTL, the first zone, which is pierced, today it reached the target. Let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. You get clarity, or 1 minute time frame if I go, you get even better clarity when exactly we got the trade. See, today market opened here, started moving up. Sorry. And when it gave the entry, the prices reached into this zone at 9:22 candle, you got the trade. And then when it reached the target at 9:45. That means in 23 minutes, your trade is completed. Those who are expecting more profit and you want to use your trailing stop loss, probably you would have exited here, drop, base, drop. This is violated in this candle. Probably you would have exited here, somewhere here. That way your profit margin would have been slightly reduced. Those who exited, maximum profit you will get. Because it is a pierced zone, people may expect further it will go and reach. Institutions are very clever. Sometimes they know our intentions and they will play with us. That is what their play today. That's the reason why by the time it reaches, if you don't want to exit, you are expecting, you must use a trailing stop loss. Otherwise you will be losing a lot of profit. But until those who exited, you will be getting maximum profit. Okay, I have calculated as per what is the opportunity it is given till this zone. The first pierced 15-minute zone, the target, until then I calculated. If anybody exited there, Lal Patla would have given 11,070 rupees profit, which is exactly 6% intraday ROI. And this trade is a 5 minutes dynamic entry buffer before daily HLQ zone. Previously also we got 5 minutes dynamic entry buffer. When we got this trade on 27th September we got. 27 means last Friday. We got a dynamic entry buffer trade. Today also again we got a dynamic buffer entry trade. That's why the dynamic buffer is a very powerful. You may ask a question. Again, after that again we got an opportunity here. Maybe we would have taken another trade at 11:45. Yes, right? But those who have taken trade, this is stopped out. You might ask, right? But actually we won't take this trade. Why? What is the reason? Go to the 15 minutes zone. We got a new 15 minutes target is available. Rally base rally. This is the new 15 minutes target. Sorry, demand zone. This is 15 minutes demand zone. So this is your entry. And what is the ROI? ROI is less than 2. You need at least 1:3 ROI. Earlier trade we got 1:3.28 RR is there earlier trade. Till this 15 minutes, pierced 15 minutes demand zone, we have 1:3 RR is there earlier. But now we have a new zone, rally base rally. You may ask, why can't we take this drop base rally? This is a result from this zone only. Even if you want, again, you have to keep your target here. But even here in this zone, rally base rally also, we don't have any RR. Let me show you. Short position. This will be your entry. And this is going to be your target. You got 1:2 RR. From here to here. Because it is 1:2 RR, you can't take the trade. You will be rejecting the trade. And that way, you would have avoided this trade. Because RR is not there. So this is the only one perfect valid trade. And our trade is completed in just 23 minutes. And we got a profit 11,000 rupees, which is 6% ROI as for one futures margin cost. And moreover, this trade is completed at morning 9:40 candle, 5 minutes candle, or 9:45 5 minutes candle. And after that you got RBL bank trade. After that, second trade. In RBL bank, when you got the entry? At 13:25. That means first trade is completed. Again you would have invested the same money in this stock. And again you got another 8,000. Total you would have got 19,000 rupees profit you would have got for your investment. Both the trades are eligible for you today with the same capital. Okay, what about remaining stocks? We didn't get the trade. First one is Kotak Bank. This is a daily high liquidity zone. Daily high liquidity demand zone. Prices didn't come onto this fine-tuned 5 minutes area. Just a minute, please. This rally base rally. Just a minute. Okay, I'm sorry, I got an important call. Okay. This is a 75 minutes daily high liquidity zone. Rally, 3 base candles and rally. This was fine tuned with 75 minutes time frame. We have a rally, drop, 3 base candles and a rally. And this again fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. We have a failed ERC candle as a leg-in. That way I consider this is a leg-in. And then base, and then add the hidden body. The moment you add the hidden body, it is a rally candle. This is what hidden zone. This is a hidden zone. You may say here we can take a trade. Because so many base candles are here. Drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And rally. That's why I didn't feel comfortable. Next 5 minute zone. I fine tuned with this as a drop candle, 2 base candles and with hidden body. Add the hidden body. The moment you add the hidden body, it will be like a ERC candle, but failed ERC, but it is having sufficient body to go out of this zone. So that's why I consider this is the candle here. At present looking like a failed ERC, but the moment you add hidden body, see here how much body you are getting. Rally candle. But today prices didn't come, but here there is a pro gap area is here within this area. Here also 5 minute zone is also not good. See here, even if you compromise and draw 15 minute zone, 5 minute zone is not good. This is a failed ERC candle. If you can use this as a leg in, then this is a leg out in between, no base candles. But there is a pro gap is there. Probably that might be holding up today's prices in that pro gap area. See here, the pro gap area, it holded the prices. But risk management point of view, it's not permitted to take our trades. That's why we didn't plan any trade in this area. Anyway, this is the area we want to plan a trade, but we didn't get a trade opportunity. Next one is Hindustan Petroleum. This is also a daily high liquidity zone. It is a supply zone. Rally base drop. This fine tuned with 75 minutes time frame. We have excellent drop base drop, but 15 minute zone is not there. See, the 15 minute structure is not good. We have a drop base. Maybe this you can consider failure. This is also a drop candle, but the drop candle is a leg out you cannot use. The reason is the leg out is part of the base. See, this close is part of the base. That's why you can't use this drop base drop. So this is the reason why I didn't fine tune this zone. This is the morning 9:15 candle. Okay, anyway, this we didn't have any interest on this zone, Hindustan Petroleum. Next one, last one is the Lupin. Lupin is also daily high liquidity supplies, daily or 75 minutes. Yeah, this is a daily zone. We have a rally candle, 1, 2, 3 base candles and a drop candle. This fine tuned with, I think Lupin already we discussed in the previous. But anyway, this fine tuned with 75 minutes time frame. Rally base drop. This again fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. This drop base drop. This is again fine tuned with 5 minutes time frame. I think it is already a tested zone if I am not wrong. Is it? No. Yeah, it is a tested zone. We have a ERC candle as a leg in, 3 base candles and a drop. Type 4 I have fine tuned. Sorry, not type 4, type 3. Type 3 proximal I fine tuned. So this is the type 2. This is the type 1. Type 2 is already tested. Just I want to check because there is a good order flow is there. The width is good. I fine tuned even up to type 3. Type 3 is also tested. So that's why we didn't plan any trade in this zone. I think previously I explained this. I explained this zone previously. Anyway, Lupin prices didn't enter. So these are the other high liquidity zones. We didn't get the trade opportunities. Hope this information will be useful to you. Let's all meet again in our next video.